In this video, we will continue to be talking about what is school and why school is important, but we will also be working on learning to revise and edit our writing. You'll know you've met our success criteria if by the end of this lesson, you're able to revise and edit your writing. Let's look at some examples. We're going to use this checklist here on the side to help us with our revising and editing. First, we're going to start out with revising. Then we're going to move to editing. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my focus statement. I need to look and see if my focus statement is clear. That means, does it make sense to other people? For example, if I were to read it out loud, does it sound right and make sense? Or if someone were to pick up my paper and read it, would they be able to understand what was happening in that sentence? Let me read it to you. In a rainforest in Xixual, Brazil, it was difficult for students, and the community worked together to solve the problem. I'm wondering if people could get what was difficult from students from this. Are you able to tell what's difficult from it? No? I can't. So I think I need to go back and add something to my focus statement to make it more clear. You're going to use purple. I don't have purple as a color choice on Jamboard, so I'm going to use blue. I think I need to add that it was difficult for students to go to school, because I remember from the book we've been talking about how it's been really challenging for students to go to school. So I'm going to add a little caret, and then I'm going to add in the words to go to school. Now let me read it back to myself out loud. In a rainforest in Xixual, Brazil, it was difficult for students to go to school, and the community worked together to solve the problem. Now I can go to my editing. First, I need to check, does my sentence start with a capital letter? Let me look to the start of my sentence. I don't see a capital letter, so I need to go back and edit that. I'm going to do that in red and change it to a capital letter. Now I need to check, does my sentence end with punctuation? It did not, so I'm going to go back and add a punctuation mark. In this sentence, it makes the most sense to use a period. Sometimes, if you're asking a reader a question, you would use a question mark, or if there's strong feeling, you would use an exclamation point. Now, I'm noticing something that I could potentially change, and I could make these into two separate sentences, where I put a period after school, and then I keep a second sentence that starts with the community work together to solve the problem. All right, let's look at the next example. So they solved the problem. Is that clear? You're probably thinking, nope, that's not clear. What did they solve? And they solved the problem. Who solved the problem? The kids? I'm thinking it's more than that. So I'm going to change the sentence to say the community solved their problem. Now I need to add what they did to solve the problem. So I'm going to add in the part by building a new school. Now I need to go back and edit my writing. So first I check, does it start with a capital letter? Nope, forgot that again. So I'm going to change it to a capital letter in the color red. Now I need to check, does it end with a punctuation mark? I can already see it doesn't. So I'm going to add a period to this one because it makes the most sense. I'm telling someone a statement. In your writing today, you're going to go back to your assignment and you're writing in Seesaw, and you'll notice on the side here you have the same questions as me. Is the solution clear? Is the conclusion clear? Then edit. Check that your sentence starts with a capital letter, which lucky for you guys, it does here because we started your sentence for you. And check that you ended with a punctuation mark. I'm noticing a lot of people are forgetting that punctuation mark at the end of their writing. Look really closely for it. So you'll go back to reread your writing and check that it's clear for your solution and your conclusion. Then you'll go back and edit for your punctuation marks. Today, we worked on revising and editing. Go back to your seesaw to revise and edit, then press the green check to submit your work.